Welcome to Turbo Rider Today. We are diving review. The 2025 Yamaha Raider marks the return of one of Yamaha's most iconic power cruisers. With bold styling, a massive engine, and modern technology, it's designed to rule both the streets and the highways. Engine performance, at its heart, is a monstrous 1,854 cubic centimeters V-twin engine. This powerhouse produces strong low-end torque and a deep, aggressive exhaust note. Mated to a 5-speed transmission and belt drive, it delivers smooth yet thrilling performance, with top speeds close to 200 kilometers per hour. Design and styling. The Raider stands out with its stretched frame, long wheelbase, and fat rear tire that give it a true chopper-like appearance. The low-slung stance, wide handlebars, and muscular fuel tank add to its bold character. Yamaha has also added modern updates, such as full LED lighting and a digital instrument cluster. Comfort and practicality. With a low seat height of 695 millimeters, relaxed cruiser ergonomics, and wide bars, the Raider offers long-distance comfort. A 16-liter fuel tank ensures good range for highway rides, while the 145mm ground clearance keeps it practical for daily use. Safety and technology. The 2025 model is expected to feature ABS, traction control, and refined suspension for added safety and stability. Despite its heavy 330-kilogram build, the Raider remains balanced and easy to control at cruising speeds. Conclusion. The 2025 Yamaha Raider is not just a motorcycle, it's a bold statement of power and presence. Built for riders who want raw muscle, stylish design, and modern features, the Raider is truly back to reclaim its crown in the cruiser world. Like, share, and subscribe to Turbo Rider.